Hi, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me today. Today I have a special treat, a book that we're going to read together. This is called Froggy Gets Dressed, and it's written by Jonathan London, illustrated by Frank Remkowitz. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about rain falling in the summer?
No.
No. Do you think it's about the cow that lives at the farm?
No.
No. Do you think it's about a frog that gets dressed for snow?
Yes!
Yes. Let's read it together and learn more. This is called Froggy Gets Dressed. It was cold. Froggy woke up and looked out the window. Snow, snow, he sang. I want to play in the snow. There he is, pointing at the window. And there is the snow. He's so excited for the snow. Go back to sleep, Froggy, said his mother. Don't you know frogs are supposed to sleep all winter? Wake up when the snow melts. He looks confused. No, no, cried Froggy. I'm awake, awake. I want to go out and play in the snow. There he is, getting out of his bed. He's so excited for the snow. So, Froggy put on his socks, zop, pulled on his boots, zoop, put on his hat, zat, tied on his scarf, zwit, tugged on his mittens, zoom, and flopped outside into the snow, flop, flop, flop. There he goes. He looks so excited for the snow. Froggy! Called his mother. What? Yelled Froggy. Did you forget to put something on? Froggy looked down. Oops, cried Froggy. I forgot to put on my pants. Oh no. How can he go outside in the cold with no pants? Let's see what he did. He flopped back inside, flop, 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 tugged off his mittens, untied his scarf, took off his hat, he pulled off his boots, he left his socks on, and slipped his pants on. Zip! There he is, putting on his pants. Then he pulled on his boots, zoop, put on his hat, zat. He tied on his scarf, zwit, tugged on his mittens, zoom, and flopped back outside into the snow, flop, flop, flop. There he is, getting ready to get a snowball. There are his steps, he's outside. Let's see what happens. Froggy! Called his mother. What? Yelled Froggy. Did you forget to put something on? Froggy looked down. Oops, he cried. I forgot to put on my shirt. And your coat, added your mother. Oh no, how is he outside with no shirt and no coat? Just when he was about to throw the snowball. Let's see what happens. He flopped back inside, flop, flop, flop. Tugged off his mittens, untied his scarf, took off his hat. He left his pants, boots, and socks on, and buttoned up his shirt. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Then he snapped on his coat, zap, put on his hat, zat, tied on his scarf, zwit, tugged on his mittens, zoom, and flopped back outside into the snow, flop, flop, flop. There he is. He's headed back to the snow. Froggy, called his mother. What? Yelled Froggy. Did you forget to put something on? Froggy looked down. He had on his mittens. He had on his scarf. He had on his coat. He had on his shirt. He had on his pants. He had on his boots. He had on his socks. He reached up. Yep. He had on his hat. What could be missing? There he is reaching up. He has his hat on. Let's see what's next. Your underwear, his mother laughed. Oops, cried Froggy, looking more red in the face than green. Look at him. He's a little bit embarrassed. His underwear, he forgot. Let's see what happens. He flopped back inside, flop, flop, flop. Tugged off his mittens, untied his scarf, unsnapped his coat, unbuttoned his shirt, unzipped his pants, pulled off his boots, took off his socks. He left his hat on and slipped into his long johns with a zap of elastic. There he is. He put his long johns on. Let's see what happened next. Then he put one sock on, zoop, pulled on one boot, zoop, tugged on one mitten, zoom. He started to tug on the other and let it drop and said, I'm too tired, and went back to sleep. Look at him. He's so tired. He left all his clothes on the floor. And he's going back to bed. Good night, Froggy. The end. That was a good book. What was your favorite part of the book? Was it in the beginning when Froggy saw snow outside of his window? Was it in the middle when Froggy forgot his pants? Was it when Froggy had to get undressed and dressed again over and over? Or was it in the end when he got tired and went to bed? Those were all good parts of the book. Yes, and today what we're going to do for our activity is we're going to help Froggy get dressed for the snow. Here we have Froggy, but with no clothes on, and all his clothes are around. Let's help him get dressed for the snow. Do you remember some of these? Here's a coat. We have 1 and 2 mittens. We have 1 and 2 socks. We have a scarf, some pants. We have 1 and 2 boots, a shirt on this side, and some underwear with a hat. Okay, let's get ready to get Frog dressed. Okay, so what's the first thing that you remember? I remember him putting on his socks. Can you say, I need 2 socks, please?
I need 2 socks, please.
Good job. And let's grab them. Here's 1 sock, and here is the other. Let's put them on
His feet.
his feet. That's right. So 1 goes on this side, and 1 goes on this side. he has his socks on. What is next? Let's try
The underwear.
the underwear. These are his underwear. Can you say, put the underwear on Froggy?
Put the underwear on Froggy.
Good job. Then we place the underwear on Froggy. There he is. Okay, let's keep going. Let's put on his pants. Can you find his pants? Here they are, right next to me. Let's say, Froggy, put on your blue pants.
Froggy, put on your blue pants.
Good job. And we put them on. There we go. Okay, what's next? You guessed it. He needs to put on
His shirt.
his shirt. Can you say, Froggy, put your shirt on?
Froggy, put your shirt on.
Good job. Then we put it on Froggy. Okay, what do you think is next? We have his pants and his shirt. What is next?
Our mittens.
That's right. Let's try our mittens. Good job. We need 1 and 2 mittens. Can you say, Froggy, put on your mittens?
Froggy, put on your mittens.
Good job. So we'll put 1 on this side and 1 on this side. Okay, now his hands are warm. What is next? We have a jacket, a scarf, the boots, or a hat.
The boots.
That's right. Let's put on the boots. Here's 1 and another. Can you say, Froggy, put on your boots?
Froggy, put on your boots.
Good job. And we put them on. Good job. What's next? We have a jacket, a scarf, and a hat.
The jacket.
That's right. Let's put on the jacket. Can you say, Froggy, put your jacket on?
Froggy, put your jacket on.
Good job. He has to stay nice and warm while he's outside. So there is his jacket. We have a scarf and a hat. Let's put on
The hat.
the hat. Can you say, Froggy, put your hat on?
Froggy, put your hat on.
Good job. And then we put it on his head. He's almost ready to go outside. We're just missing,
His scarf.
that's right, his scarf. Can you say, Froggy, put your scarf on?
Froggy, put your scarf on.
Good job. And we put the scarf on. Now Froggy is all ready to go out and play in the snow. That was a fun activity. Thank you for doing our activity and reading our book together. We'll see you next time. Bye.